There are cities that capture your attention at first sight. And then there are those that reveal their story, one quiet moment at a time. Trieste is one of them. Nestled on the northern shores of the Adriatic Sea, Trieste has stood at the crossroads of cultures, trade, and civilizations for centuries. Its roots stretch back to Roman times, but its greatest transformation came under the Austro-Hungarian Empire, when it became the empire's most important seaport. Merchants, sailors, and travelers from across the world passed through these streets, leaving behind a legacy that can still be felt today. Today, Trieste is a city where Italian charm meets Central European elegance. Grand boulevards, magnificent palaces, and historic architecture tell the story of more than 2,000 years of history. Every corner reflects the city's unique blend of cultures and traditions. Its harbor remains one of the Adriatic's most important ports, welcoming everything from cargo ships to magnificent cruise liners that bring visitors from around the globe directly into the heart of the city. One of Trieste's most iconic landmarks is Piazza Unità d'Italia, the largest seafront square in Europe. Here, the sea, history, and architecture come together to create one of Italy's most breathtaking urban landscapes. Just a short walk away lies the Grand Canal, once the center of the city's commercial life. Today, its peaceful waters are lined with cafes, restaurants, and small boats, offering a slower, more intimate side of Trieste. Only a few kilometers from the city center stands the enchanting Miramare Castle. Surrounded by the Adriatic and beautiful gardens, it feels as though it belongs in a fairy tale. But its story deserves a journey of its own, and we'll explore it in the next video. Trieste is not a city that demands your attention. Instead, it quietly earns it through its history, its sea, and the timeless character that makes it unlike anywhere else.